Now in this video, let us solve fifth question. What is fifth question? There is another person C who does negative work and can completely destroy the work in 20 days. Now if A, B and C work together, what will be the number of days taken to complete the work? Let's get into the problem. Now the work done will be 60 units. This will not change because LCM of 10, 12 and 20 will stay at 60 only. Now A's 1 day work is 6 units per day, B's 1 day work is 5 units per day, C's 1 day work is minus 3 units per day, as C will do the negative work. Now 1 day work of A, B and C will be 6 plus 5 minus 3, which is equal to 8 units. So if 1 day work is 8 units, to complete 60 units of work, the number of days taken will be 60 by 8, which is nothing but 7.5 days. So this will be the answer.